How to open OST files in Thunderbird. First we will import the OST file into Outlook. So let's run Outlook. At the top left corner, click on the File tab. Click on Open and Export menu. Click on the Import or Export option. Select Import from another program or file and click Next. Select Outlook data file.pst and click Next. Click on the Browse button. Select your OST file which you want to migrate. My OST file is saved in this folder, but you can see it saying, no items match your search. If you encounter the same issue, simply click on this drop-down and select all files. You can see the OST file is visible now. Let me change its view so that you can see it properly. Now simply select the OST file and click Open. In this screen, click on the Next button. Here you can select any folder of your OST file and only the selected folder will be imported. Finally, click on the Finish button. You can see the folder has been successfully uploaded. Now access to Outlook for Web and make sure to log in with the same Outlook account. Open the folder that you have imported from the OST file. Click on any email to view it. At the top right corner, click on the three dots icon. Then select the Download menu and click on Download as EML option. This way download all the emails as EML file. Once you save all the emails as EML file on your device, open the Thunderbird app. Before importing the EML files here, let's create a new folder. So simply right-click on the folder panel and select New Folder. Enter a name for the folder and click on the Create Folder button. New folder created. Now simply select all the EML files from your device, then drag and drop them to this folder. That's it, the EML files have been successfully imported into Thunderbird. However, this method is quite time-consuming, so as an instant migration solution, you can use Regain OST to MBOX converter. From our official website you can easily download a free trial of this software. After you download and install the software, you will see this interface. Here simply click on the Add Outlook Files button. Select your OST file and click on the Open button. Now click on the Next button. Here you can preview all the folders of your OST file. Simply click on any folder and you can preview all the available emails at the top panel. Click on any email and you can preview it at the bottom panel. Now click on the Export button. Here multiple export formats are available. EML and MBOX both are Thunderbird suitable. I am selecting the MBOX format. After that, click on the Browse button and select a destination where you want to save the output MBOX file. And click OK. Finally, click on the Convert Now button. As a result, the conversion will be started and the output MBOX file will be saved on your local device. That's all about today's video. Thanks for watching.